Hello everyone. Today I actually want to get some feedback from you guys, and the reason I'm making this video is because I want to know from you guys directly whether you guys are okay for me to keep creating these short daily videos where I of course talk about a specific topic, and these short daily videos are something that I can create very easily. So whenever you see a video which is like 10-minute long, that is the only time I spend in creating that video. Of course, I upload the video on YouTube and I also create a thumbnail sometimes, so maybe a couple of more minutes, but that is it. And for me, creating these regular videos is all about sharing something that I learned that day, because I also learn new things every day. And whenever I learn a new thing, I keep a list of those things that I can potentially share with all of you. So doing that is not very difficult for me, and I will continue doing that. But at the same time, I was thinking for the past few days whether I should spend some time making a bit more lengthy, or maybe not lengthy, but a bit more refined, a bit more detailed video, because sometimes I receive comments from people and they want me to create a video on a specific use case. Like recently I received one comment from a user, and he wanted me to talk about some use cases. I can do that, but I think it is all about time. I am usually very occupied like throughout the day, and my week is always filled with different things that I need to do. And the reason I create these short videos is because I can, and it is not really an effort for me. In fact, I enjoy making these short videos because whenever I create a short video, whenever I share something that I learned, and whenever I share something that I think can be useful, it gives me a lot of satisfaction and I feel happy, and I will continue doing that. But I thought I'll ask you guys directly. So do let me know if you think I should create maybe videos like my portfolio series, which is quite popular. There are a lot of views on those videos of portfolio. Although number of views doesn't really mean that the video is good, but I think it is a good indication. I did spend some time making those videos because I thought about some scenarios, and I also created some slides. And whenever you're using those slides, you can present your thoughts in a different way, and I think that really helped, because people are giving me good feedback on those videos. But to be honest, I can't do that every day or every week. I can maybe do that once in a while, maybe couple of videos every month can be of that level or maybe better. But my intention with this channel is not to create fancy videos. I want to keep my content focused to the point, and that is what I have done in the past few months. I used to have those intros and endings in my videos, but I removed them because I thought they are not really adding any value, and I want to keep it very short and simple and to the point. I create these videos for people who are maybe learning Atlassian tools like Jira, for example. Maybe they are looking for a job, or maybe they want to excel at their job. And these small videos with tips and tricks, talking about, of course, different things that you can do, for example, with Scriptenough for Jira, or maybe you want to do something with Portfolio, or maybe you want to do something with nothing but Jira natively without using any apps. I, of course, share different things that you can do. So the reason I'm talking to you guys directly today is I basically want your feedback and suggestion. So do let me know what you think about my videos. So we'll end the video in a similar fashion. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video and you learned something new today, although I didn't really talk about anything that you can learn. I just want your help and feedback. So we'll end the video here. Thank you very much.